Are you ready? Forgot to zoom out, but welcome to the Radisson Blu Sheffield. Now, just to point out, when we got to reception, we upgraded. We've been given an upgrade to a superior room with a garden view, which is basically the view of the town hall and gardens here in Sheffield. But look at this bed, guys. Oh my goodness me. Everything in here, it just smells brand new. I don't think this hotel's been open that long, but someone will tell me in the comments. But this bed, it's very firm but very soft, but look at it. It's just unbelievable, guys. So behind me, we do have a large flat screen TV with all your amenities. We've got quite a few plugs and USB ports knocking about. There's some QR codes here as well. If you need anything, there's like an emergency call if you need anything, and then there's like a QR code in case if you need anything. Now with the superior rooms, you do have an espresso machine with your normal kettle as well, with normal glasses and wine glasses, and a bottle opener. And then here we have our good presentation. This is your teas, your coffees, the espresso stuff if you want like decaf and hot chocolate, or your teas. We do have robes available on this lovely shelf. Hidden between the shelves, we do have the iron and ironing board. And in this little cubby hole, if I can get it open, my partner's already put some beers in, but we do have a fridge hidden away. But before we move on to the bathroom, let me show you this view that we got. Just look at that. Overlooking the town hall of Sheffield. We're only here for one night because we are doing a Virgin Experience Day, which I'll be covering in a separate video, which will be on my TikTok. So if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. But this room is just unbelievable, you guys. And below here as well, you do have some space to hang your coats up and all that. Underneath here, we have, through the doors, we have a safe deposit box. And in this cupboard here, we do have some slippers, the laundry stuff, sewing kit, and shoe shine. If you need, in case you need to shine your shoes. But let's go look at the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Love the fact that you can control the shower even before you get in. So you've got two buttons at the top there, one for handheld or one for the rainfall, because look at the rainfall shower above there. It's so nice. And we have Radisson branded shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And in the sink area you have your hand and body lotion and hand wash. Your sink. The toilet. The hairdryer comes in its own little bag. And we've got a lot of mirrors and all that malarkey around here as well. Hello. And there you are. That is your room tour of a superior double room with a garden view here at the Radisson Blu in Sheffield. So let's do the bed test and I'll let you know what the bed is like.